Your last game. Running. I think I'm in the point. No.
Hey, grenade out! Out!
The fact that you can go prone and shoot a rocket. Bitch!
I just got hit with some CS2 level. I shit you not. Team plays like what our team is doing too. I'm talking about that hole. You got them both. Are they looking at me?
Where's he at though?
They are all the way right. Like what you doing over here? This is the zone.
Damn, poor AC-130. Why did we agree that Pizza Hut sucks?
Yeah, it's too damn expensive.
Yeah, it sucks.
Tunnel.
I'll try to get there. Yep. From that? My God, bro, what is up with these? Okay.
I'm dead.
Go, push it.
There's a LMG. There's a guy in the box. He died. Oh, dude, it got me through a wall. God. I'm just fucking unlucky as hell. Yes, it got me. Really? God, of course I trade, bro. There's two of you in the kill that guy. You back out? Unable to find game.
I'm assuming they're camping.
Big booty bitches exist.
They're coming. I just ran from my side. Really? I'm dead. He's in the room to your right with the door. Yeah, that's where he is, bro. Because they gotta be on top of it.
You're surrounded, you know.
Are you on it or no? One guy on it here. Oh, that's him, right. Go. Guy downstairs.
I'm up. I'm a little bit scared.
Ledge with the sniper. I'm watching that window.
Okay, last man.
Raised up platform. That's watching.
Where are you going? Come back, you heavy.
Rock slide. You got that? I think they're up the middle again. How's the left look?
Oh yeah, horse ass. What the fuck?